Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am discuss the most important thing. It is called synonym. Let's start. Funny. First synonym is funny, amazing, humorous, droll, amazing, humorous. Second one, get, acquire, obtain, secure, procure. Get the key है acquire, obtain, secure. Good, excellent, fine, wonderful, excellent, fine, wonderful. Great, worthily, grand, consider. Great, worthily, grand, considerable, worthily, grand, considerable. Happy, pleased, delighted, elated, joyful. Pleased, delighted, elated, joyful. Now comment below. You have 1 minute for one word. Give me two synonym. Okay, let's start. Funny, get, good, great, happy. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.